Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see few more journals which are indexed in Scopus. Few might be indexed in SCI. These are paid and unpaid journals as well, and we are going to discuss for computer science, chemistry, physics, maths, multidisciplinary. So please watch it. So the first journal is what this Journal of Zhejiang University. So this is from 2012 to present. So this is very important thing which you should note. I'm getting comments on this like it is showing like present. If it is showing like present, yes, you can go ahead. In few journals, it will be mentioned like 2012 to 2022, okay, or 2012 to 2023. Few journals, it will be showing like this. So 2022, please don't go with that. Okay, 2023, please go and check, because few journals might have applied for the quarterly, like for the next few months of acceptance will be there. So don't go for it. Check for this present and then proceed with this. Okay, so this is my advice. And another important thing is, even if I'm discussing this journal here, when you are planning to apply, okay, if you have your article now, you can directly go and apply, you can directly go and submit it. If you are planning to submit it after 2 or 3 months, please come back to this particular Scopus indexed Scopus database and check whether this is since there in Scopus. Okay, because it is very important. So this is what the first one, it is covered, it is still there in Scopus, and here you can see it is multidisciplinary. So you can simply select here and go to the source homepage. It will take you to a different homepage where you can understand about the journal completely. I haven't seen anywhere like what is the this is actually Chinese based one. Okay, so there is, they haven't mentioned that they will accept only the Chinese related article or English related article. Okay, there is no information about it. So I hope you can directly submit it. Okay, and if you come here, you can see complete unfinished. So you should not like, you have to submit the paper, can track the submission thing, everything here. Okay, and what is the fees for this? So they have a specific fee. Okay, so the fee is what, 100 yuan, that is Chinese currency, which is nearly 1900 rupees in INR. Okay, so this is manufacturing, sorry, this is manuscript processing fee, and 250 yuan. So 250, in the sense, you can just double this amount. Okay, so approximately it will come around 3500, which is somewhat reasonable, right? So we can just go ahead with this. Okay, so before submitting, okay, I'm again and again telling, I'm just giving you a disclaimer. So before submitting, so please send a mail to this particular journal, ask them that whether they'll be accepting the English journal, English. Yeah, here, so they have mentioned here, very good, must be a paper that has not been published in any official journal in Chinese and foreign languages. So it should not be published anywhere. Okay, and so you can completely check this out. Okay, so this is the first one, and here you can see that they are responding you back very soon. So during the revision, the author will be notified of the results of the manuscript review within 3 months. The author shall not submit the manuscript elsewhere during this period. Individual manuscript may take longer to submit for a review. Okay, so during the revision process, this manuscript, if the time limit for revision exceeds 30 days, the editorial department will take the date when the author returns whose revised manuscript as the submission date. If it is exceed 30 days, the editorial department has the right to reject the manuscript. Okay, so if they are not accepting, if you are not getting any proper response, don't worry, just send them a mail and ask them like what happens. Okay, so this is the manuscript process. What happens, one on online remote submission will be there. So you have to manuscript receiving. So what happens, once you are notified, okay, if the review is fine, then you have to pay the 100 yuan and everything. So please check this before you submit. Okay, and the important thing which we have to check is what is the how many issues they are just publishing. Okay, so yes, I can check here. So yes, so here you can see they are accepting mathematics, computer science, electronic science, chemistry, environmental science, life science, earth science, urban science, everything. Okay, current issue is what, issue 2, which means that I think they are publishing quarterly basis. Though anyhow, we will just look into it. So 2022 they have published, okay, yeah, so like every 2 months they are publishing, okay, 6 issues per year. Fine, let us go to the next one, that is Quiet Journal of Science. So Quiet Journal of Science is there in Scopus. So this is also multidisciplinary. So you can see here these are all the topics which they are covering: mathematics, computer science, physics, statistics, biology, chemistry, earth. And here you can also see that publication in this journal is free of charge, and this is also indexed in Web of Science, Scopus, SJR. Great. Okay, so you have to check for the frequency, right? That is the next step. So you can find it here, January, April, July. So this is what 4 issues per year, that is quarterly basis they are just publishing. Great. So other than that, you have to just go and check about what are the instructions they have given to the authors, like what format they are accepting. You can click here about the journal and author instructions here. Okay, author guidelines here. So what format of journal they are accepting, and here you can see completely about the plagiarism text. Okay, like plagiarism, what how much percentage of plagiarism they are expecting, and what is the format. Okay, so manuscript as a Word and PDF. Latex version is must for papers in mathematics, computer science, and statistics. So if you want to know about like how to edit the latex format, edit your Word into an latex format, please let me know, I'll help you out. Okay, so this is what here you have to submit, and other general instructions. So please go and check the instructions before you submit if you feel that this journal will work for you. Okay, and you will get the response soon, because this is since this is publishing, and this is what the flow chart. Okay, and what happens if it is revision of the manuscript must be returned to the okay, returned to the editor in chief. After this is they are talking about the revision process. So what happens if you just submit it? So all these informations will be available here. What happens once you submit your article to the journal, and what is the process, how they will be accepting. So how they'll, after 7 days, see here, so they are sending every it's a fastest response. Okay, let us go to the next journal, which is Journal of National Science Foundation of Sri Lanka. So here you can see this is since indexed in Scopus, and here you can see this is also multidisciplinary. And here you can find the information about it, like what is multidisciplinary journal of science and technology. So they are publishing quarterly in March, June, September, and December. 4 issues per month, sorry, per year. And you can see the complete information over here, and if you go and check for the FAQs, you can see about this particular journal. So they have told about the charges. Okay, so manuscript charges. Is there a manuscript processing publication? Yes, the publication charges US $150. Okay, so other than that, you can just go and visit this particular journal to know more about like what are all the other information you want, like downloads, editorial board submissions. So if you wanted to submit your article to this journal, so what are the other important thing which you should concentrate on. So please do check this before you submit. Okay, once you log in with your ORC IDs, then you can definitely look into it. Then next one is science progress. You can see here that this is indexed still in Scopus since 1995, and this is also multidisciplinary. So if you click here, you can see the aim and scope of the journal here, and you can see that what are the scope. Okay, agriculture science, biology and life science, chemistry, computer information, ecology, everything they are covering. And the submission guidelines, if you go and see, so they have really a big list of this. So your paper of original work, so you should your figures are accepted, line art should be like this, images should be like this, so how your reference should be, and everything they have mentioned. But they haven't mentioned about the processing charges. It's article processing charges. So here you can see this is nearly $2,200 in USD. It's really a big amount, but if you wanted to publish, okay, like if after the peer review your manuscript is accepted, a one time article processing charge is payable. APC covers the cost of publication and ensure that article will be freely available online. Okay, the article processing is payable when the manuscript is accepted. So don't go ahead and publish, that is pay the amount. So I think sometimes you can just apply for the waive off. So I have already discussed about how to write a mail to the editor regarding the waive off. Okay, if you want to get the waive off, then you can write a mail to the editor. That also I have discussed. Go and check that. The last journal which we are going to discuss is Word Applied Physics Express. So this is also in Scopus since 2008. And here you can see it is engineering, general engineering, and physical and astronomy, general physics and astronomy. So if you click here, you can see that median submission to the first decision, it is only 5 days, and median submission to the first decision after peer review is only 12 days. And these are all the impact factors and everything. And if you go and check about the publication charges, it will be, you can check all the other things like author guidelines about the journal and everything. So here they have, like, if you have a letter type, then what is the amount? Okay, USD 600. If it is a comment, then dollar 200. And if it is a corrigendum, it is dollar 100. And here you can see what is the open access policy. And like you have some they have some waiver as well, I think, because like based on the country, you can also apply for application for the waiver of the publication charge. So you can send a mail to the this particular mail ID regarding the waiver for the publication. Okay, they will be at least waiving off for 50 percentage to 75 percentage is possible. So please talk to them. I hope you find this video useful. So I'll meet you with a different set of journals. Thank you, take care, bye bye.